Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make high-fidelity wireframes in Figma. First, let's define what a high-fidelity wireframe is and why it's crucial for your design process. Then, we'll jump into setting up your Figma file, creating new artboards, and organizing your layers. Gathering your initial design assets and components will be our next step, ensuring a smooth start to your project. Now, let's dive into designing the core user interface elements. We'll create essential components such as buttons, input fields, and navigation bars, focusing on their visual appearance and functionality. Leveraging Figma's powerful auto layout feature will help us build responsive designs efficiently. Remember to maintain consistent spacing and typography throughout your wireframe for a cohesive look. Next, we'll bring your wireframes to life by adding interactivity. This involves defining different states for your components, like hover or active states, and linking pages to simulate user flows. We'll also integrate realistic content and imagery placeholders to give a better sense of the final product. Pay close attention to refining visual details for a truly polished and professional appearance. Finally, it's time to review and prepare your high-fidelity wireframes for collaboration. Carefully check for clarity, completeness, and any inconsistencies across your design. Share your Figma file with stakeholders and team members to gather valuable feedback. Once approved, organize your file and assets, making it easy for developers to understand and implement your design vision effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.